Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your headphones SHOKZ OpenMove. And right here we have controls on your right headphone and also a multifunctional button at your left headphone. So let's get started with these controls on your right headphone, and you can increase or lower the volume with it. So right here at the bottom we have a minus button. It's to volume down your music, and this button to volume up, and also you can turn on, turn off your headphones. So if you need to turn on or turn off, you just press and hold this volume up button. And if you need to increase the volume, you just press one time. And as you can see on this widget, I increased the volume. To lower it, as I said previous, you just press the minus button and it works. Next, we have multifunctional button. So to play or pause the song, you need to press one time on this button. Press one time and I just pause the song, press again and I play a song. To play a next track, you need to press two times on the multifunctional button. 1, 2. Here we go. And to play previous track, you need to press and hold 3 times on this multifunctional button. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there is some trouble with the music. Okay, maybe let's go swap to the next one. And I press 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And I play previous track. Also, what you can do with this multifunctional button, if you press and hold on it, you will call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. So press and hold on it. And as you can see, my voice assistant is awake. Also, you can answer the call by pressing 1 time on this multifunctional button and reject a call by press 2 times. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.